That's not a pickup truck, that's a house burner walked up there, man. You can put the whole trailer park in there. Man, I wouldn't get one of them out of council for park record. Right here, right here. Gotta be 265 33, lay it down.